Welcome to the Wealth and Prosperity channel. Today, we'll explore a daily meditation on how empathy can transform your relationship with financial prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's begin our meditation journey. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath. Empathy is the ability to understand and feel the emotions of others. When we practice empathy, we are connecting our hearts to the lives of those around us. And this connection has a profound impact on our financial prosperity. By reaching out to help others, we are sowing the seeds of abundance. Empathy allows us to see people's needs and offer support. And when we help others thrive, we are creating a virtuous cycle of prosperity that comes back to us in surprising ways. Now, imagine that you are standing by a river. This river represents the abundance flowing in all directions. As you reach out to help others, you add to the flow of this river. You are like a prosperity gardener, planting seeds of empathy everywhere you go. As these seeds grow, they blossom into opportunities, connections, and wealth. Now, bring to mind someone you can offer support or understanding to. Feel the joy in your heart as you connect with that person. As you practice empathy and help others thrive, you are strengthening the roots of your own prosperity tree. Hold on to that feeling of empathy and generosity in your heart. Breathe deeply and know that abundance is flowing into your life. When you connect with empathy, you become a magnet for prosperity. Remember, true wealth isn't just financial but also resides in the richness of your connections and the kindness you share with the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our Wealth and Prosperity channel for more inspiring content on financial and personal prosperity. Thank you for meditating with us today. Namaste.